Hey guys, part 2 of flying fish. I got a Corsair grouper. Big Corsair grouper. How big? I don't know. Let me see. Really big. Is a ice weight. Yo, what did I get? Big albino scurvy sailfish. Sheesh. I'm drinking my Swiss Miss. Happy Christmas. Bye. Let's eat bread. Should I make it? One question. Should I make a day in my life video? Like if yes, sub if no. Guys, what level are you in fish? Answer in the comments. Reef runner snapper. Gadoy Captain's Goldfish giveaway at 50 likes. So if you want to join the giveaway, all you have to do is just comment your Roblox name, friend me, and sub if you want a chance to get it. Bye.